Parang familiar to ah.
Si ate at siya, Ryan.
Ay, kay ate ba to? Wait lang, kay ate pala to eh. Congrats! Okay, babalikan na namin.
Yung electric fan din kasi naantay ko.
You're staring back.
Ang ganda ng hair ko, ang ganda ng
treasure moments like that.
Francis. Mamaya sa atin.
It's the time that we spend doing nothing at all. Stay up on a call. Oh, with you there is nothing like that. If you ask me what love is and what it's about, to be honest, I'm still figuring it out. If I could pretend it, tell you
lang sa love that they have for each other, and pray kay Lord na to strengthen their love.
Girl, ang ganda mo. Oh my gosh.
Huwag mo kami kakalimutan imbitahan sa hardware. Ano, housewarming? Hardware.
Victoria's Secret Angel.
Maraming nilolos yun.
Congrats to both of you. Mamaya na lang.
So many faces, so many races.
Kagagalaw.
Voices, different choices.
Nga ka.
Team fuel yun, di ba?
Nga ka pa. Lakayan mo.
Sa loob ng fila.
Nga ka lang.
Me and my Chucky against the world.
Ready ka na sa kasal mo, Franz?
Sabi na kung hindi. Anong ginagawa ko ngayon?
Wala kang pinagsisisihan.
Baka si Chia meron.
Peace!
Ayun guys, walang salamat.
Kaya.
you've changed since you met me, and I feel I've done the same. Our friends, they all notice, and your siblings think it's strange that I wanna be with you every single day for the rest of our lives. I can't help but feel guilty when I'm taking all the time.
Isang malaking plastic ka. Kahit pinyari na lang. Oo, sabi. Narinig ko sabi mo yung kunyari lang. Plastic lang yan. Hindi yan totoo.
For the rest of our lives. Someday I'll make a home with you. It may be big, it may be small. We'll make a space for all the kids can run around and safely fall. But if
Gusto mo yan. Gusto mo yan.
Hindi na makakita ng human sandayan. Yun naman sandayan, oh. Yan, oh. Kaya lang, check ko lang anong oras na. Kayo na lang, pre. Sandayan.
Hi, Francis. Be happy. Kayo ni ano? Iyata.
Aminado man tong mga pangako sa'yo, ang gusto ko lamang kasama ka, tumanda. Bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches, build you fire if the furnace breaks. So it would be so nice growing old with you. And I'll miss you and I'll kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. Patatawanin kita pag hindi ka masaya, bubuhatin mo ko pag merayo man ako. Kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Ibibili ng balot pag mahina ang tuhod, ikukuha ng gamot pag sumakit ang likod. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Oh, sasamahan kahit kailanman, mahigit kumulang di mabilang 30 araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo sa 3001.
Hi, Francis. And siya.
Hello.
Hi.
Pagod na ako.
Pagod na daw to. Sama mo sa edit yun ah. Super congrats. Sarap ng tawa, men. Tsaka ng kape. Hi ka. Mickey, hi ka. Ate. Hi ka po. Hi. Hi. Bibidyo lang po. Kuya, hi ka, kuya. Hi po. God bless you. Yon. Mayor, oh. Hoy. Oh, hi kayo, hi. Hi. Ano sasabi mo sa kasal nila?
Maganda naman. Pero sana gawin niya na yung baseline ng home. Pakinggan mo ito yun.
Ako na naman.
Dun 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 dun. Anong masasabi mo sa food?
Hindi ko pa nga titikman, tinatanong mo na ako.
Lasang pork barrel.
Sa akin lahat ayuda nyo.
Hello po. Masaya? Wey.
Masaya.
Hello.
Muntik na kami mabangga ni Andre nung nalaman namin engaged sila. Kasi out of nowhere, nag-send lang sila ng photo na may lima. As far as what the fuck?
Nagulat ako na mahal na mahal mo si Francis. Baka kailangan mo salamin nito. Baka magbago yung isip mo pag sinunod mo ito. Hindi, joke lang.
Huwag mawawala yung love and respect for each other. Focus and everything will be alright.
I love you. Kaya mo to. Kay Francis and welcome to the family.
I'll make it short and quick. Charisse, Francis, congratulations and best wishes. Yun na lang.
The way I love you, the way if I know what love is, it's because of you. You light my fire, yeah, that's the whole truth. I know it's easy to get lost in all of the issues. I'll tell the whole world, top of my lungs, past, present, future, they know you're the one. Doesn't take a diamond